Good morning, guys. It's Javier Garcia, your local roofer. Let me show you what I got going on today. Another roofer had tried to repair this, or a handyman. They failed. They just threw the tar right there instead of lifting up the paper like I did. Because let me go ahead and show you what I found. So you can see here, this paper's damaged. Check it out. So the water's just running underneath this paper and straight into the attic right here on this vent. So it's better to do it once and do it right. Save you thousands of dollars, you know, water damage, water restoration. So do yourself a favor, click on the link below, and I'll see you soon, and stay dry.